Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 11th video in Python 3 basic programming language. In the previous video we have learned how you can create if-else statement in if-else condition in Python 3 programming language. So this is from the previous video. In this video I want to show you how you can create shorthand if-else statement. If you see you can use the shorthand if-else to make this line of code less and readable. So now let me show you what I mean. For example, I have a 40 and I have a b variable to 20. Now how you can use a shorthand if a is greater than b, I want to print a is greater than b. Now you can see that we have this is a shorthand if statement that we have written in one line of code. So let me run it. You can see a is greater than b. Also you can use else if else in one line as a shorthand. You can simply write print a is greater than b if a is greater than b, and else print b is greater than a. Let me make it in here. B is greater than a. Okay, now if I run this, you can see right now a is greater than b, but if I changed b to 60, you will see that it will show that b is greater than a. So thank you guys, this was shorthand if else. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos subscribe to my channel and also like the video, share the video.